Craig Simpson.
Jim, we're in for a good game, so let's get right to it.
Down at center ice, they're ready to drop the puck. The face-off goal goes to Edmonton. Moved ahead. Kuznetsov gets the loose puck. Cranks it. Leg save.
Great stop on that shot.
Quick pass up. Into the attacking zone. Slavin with the puck. Teravainen corrals it. Brings it in along the boards. Heidman takes possession of the puck. Teravainen shoves him. Gets the shot off. Saved by Campbell.
Gets his pad in the way.
Advances the puck. Moved ahead. With a wrist shot. Stoned by Anderson.
Super pad save.
Moved back. Nason takes control of the puck. Brown. Leg save.
Great job with the pads.
And out they come with the puck. Perry jumps on the loose puck. He gets pushed. Kotkaniemi grabs the puck. Stahl dumps it in. Carolina has it now. Burns. Campbell gets a pad on it.
Great follow-up save.
Kotkaniemi finds the loose puck. Nugent Hopkins. Edmonton puts its checking line out. Ekholm. Burns gets hold of the puck. Jarvis. Out over the blue line. He grabs the puck. Jarvis gets checked. Nugent Hopkins scoops up the loose puck. Shoots it quickly. Shea gets the pass from Anderson. Passed ahead. Working along the perimeter. In front. Gensel. Wrist shot. Quick pass up. Gensel shoots the puck. Nugent Hopkins gets the pass from Campbell. Carolina grabs it. Jarvis runs over Draisaitl. Teravainen. Nugent Hopkins takes possession of the puck. Jarvis. Stasher. Got it. Nugent Hopkins. Through center. Over the blue line. Nugent Hopkins with a wrist shot.
Line 3.
And out they come with a puck. Moved ahead. Nurse jumps on the loose puck. Over the line. Passed ahead. Shoots the puck. Chatfield. Carolina scoops it up. Burns. Ceci finds it. Brown. Backhanded shot. Edmonton needs to be making a line change soon. Brings it up. Quick pass up. Orlov gets hold of the puck. Fast. Wrist shot. Scores! Carolina has let loose early.
When you can get your offense off to a quick start, the rest of the game can seem very easy.
The Oilers dump the puck in.
7, Dmitry Orlov.
Hyman with a wrist shot. Anderson turned the shot aside. Nurse takes possession of the puck. McDavid now has it. Wrist shot from the left. Anderson stoned him cold. Slavin jumps on the loose puck. Stahl gets pushed. Gagne grabs the puck. The Hurricanes dump it.
Line 2.
Janmark.
Line 2, you're out.
He dumps it. Jumped off by Carolina. Stahl. The Hurricanes dump it in. Edmonton grabbed it. Kane
Line 3.
into the attacking zone for the howitzer. Perry takes control of the puck. The door is shut by Anderson. Blocked. D'Angelo corrals it. He gets leveled. Shea with the puck. Aho taken out.
There's a battle going on out there.
Kotkaniemi gets hold of the puck. Harris touches up for icing. Martinook. Edmonton has it. Hyman fired it hard.
We will be having our biannual food drive. Bring 3 non-perishable food items and receive a free team poster.
The score is close as we start the second period.
Let's see if things can open up a bit.
Stahl won the faceoff. Up along the boards, Martinook scoops up the loose puck. Ahead to the neutral zone, advances the puck. Pass ahead. Nason jumps on the loose puck. Carolina puts its scoring line out. Martinook dumps the puck in. Leg save.
He gets the pad in the way and makes the stop.
Orlov. Nugent Hopkins with the puck. Martinook gets checked. Stasher rips one. Shanfield takes control of the puck. Stasher got it. Ekholm grabbed it. Shanfield stops the shot. Shanfield gets the loose puck. Svechnikov now with it in over the line. CZ jumps on the loose puck. Harris. Backhand shot. Slavin gets in the way. Harris takes control of the puck. He gets shoved. Edmonton dumps the puck in. Slavin takes possession out of their defensive end. Played up. Netchas with the puck. Cranked in.
Some solid contact.
Draisaitl jumps on the loose puck. Edmonton puts its checking line out. Svechnikov brings it in. Quick pass up. Moved ahead. Over the blue line. Janmark takes control of the puck. Blocked. Slavin with the puck. Fast grabs it. Aho, Campbell with a gigantic save. Harris stops the shot. Gagne steals the puck. He dumps it in. Burns gets a hold of it. Carolina leaves this line out for a long shift. Centered. Aho. Over the line. The ref indicates a delayed call. Shoots it. Harris gets in the way. Bernie knocks the puck loose. Carolina grabbed it. Shea with a blistering shot. Blocked. Ekholm will go to the box for hooking. CZ jumps on the loose puck. Bouchard has it. Ahead to the neutral zone. Henwick gets bumped off the puck. CZ scooped it up.
Take it up.
Brings it out. Moved up. Tervainen, wrist shot. He takes control of the puck. Fires! Henrik. The Oilers dump it. Carolina jumps on it out of their defensive end. And they get called for icing. McDavid wins the draw. Aho stops the shot. He blocks the shot. Dinsel shoots the puck. He gets in the way. Bouchard knocked him off the puck. D'Angelo shot quickly. Campbell stoned him. Nurse got the puck. Carolina in control now. Aho shoots quickly. Hits the post. McDavid straight arms him. Quick pass up. The Oilers dump the puck in. AINHL picks it up out over the blue line. Advances the puck. Offside, Carolina. About to drop the puck. Martinov scoops up the loose puck. Nason. Nugent Hopkins. Taken by Edmonton. Martinov. Carolina now with it.
Line 4, you're up. Line 1.
Martinov. The Hurricanes dump it in. Martinov has it now.
Line 4.
Perry takes it. Fogle grabbed it. Shoved. Played up. Svechnikov gets checked. Brings it in. Hyman in all alone. Stone cold by Anderson. Hyman rips a shot. Slavin gets in the way. Draisaitl shoots the puck. Scores on a great individual effort. Edmonton ties it up late in the second period.
Now let's see if they can use the momentum and take a lead into the third.
With a wrist shot, leg save. Ernie Ginsu takes control of the puck. Fast gets it. He gets a hold of it. A delayed penalty call against Edmonton. Ceci will serve time for tripping. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Nurse.
To number 5, Cody Dean. 2 minutes for tripping.
Teravainen jumps on the loose puck. Svechnikov. Edmonton corrals it. Burns Pikeman. Edmonton grabs it. Teravainen. Wrist shot. He scores on the power play.
They've definitely been working on their special teams. They seemed more confident, and it paid off. Terrific power play effort right there, and it got them the goal.
That's how you draw it up on the chalkboard, no doubt. Shea finds the loose puck.
Number 86,
That's the end of the second period. See how this one's going to play out after the intermission.
What were the top 10 moments in hockey history? Go online to
This game's close after 2 periods of play.
Whichever team comes out with some jump will take control of the third. Aho grabs the puck. Ceci gets crushed. Fast with the puck. Ginsu grabs it. He got it. Intercepted at the blue line. Quick pass up. Shea finds the loose puck. Carolina touches up for the icing call. The faceoff goes to the Hurricanes. Ekholm takes control of the puck. In over the line. Blasts it. Turned away.
What a save off the blocker.
Stacher. With a wrist shot. Blocked. Moved ahead. Edmonton puts its scoring line out. Svechnikov gets pushed off the puck. Burns takes possession. Hit. That rattled him. Brings it out. Netchas with the puck. Shoots. Campbell shuts the door. Draisaitl.
Line 4, you're up.
Moved up. Quick pass up. Fast. Backhands it. Pass back. Campbell hangs on for the whistle. The puck is about to be dropped.
One-timer, leg save by Campbell. The shooter thought he could slip it 5-hole, but no dice.
David jumps on the loose puck. And this time, they've gone in offside. They're getting ready for the face-off. The face-off goes to the Oilers. Henrik gets the loose puck. Aho, shot! Campbell slams the door shut. Campbell freezes the puck. They're getting ready for the face-off. Edmonton with it now. Fogle. Wrist shot from the left. Edmonton grabbed it. Anderson gives it away. Gagne. Fogle, wrist shot. Carolina puts its scoring line out. Bouchard knocks him off the puck. Nurse now with it. Nugent Hopkins corrals it. Working along the perimeter. Burns with the puck.
Line 2!
Bouchard gets hit. Kane. Nugent Hopkins jumps on the loose puck. Kuznetsov. He dumps it. Carolina in control now. Blocked. Doss grabs the puck. Campbell kicked it out. Shea Brown knocks the puck loose. He's done an outstanding job in the net.
When your goalie plays the way he has, it gives the whole team a boost of confidence.
Anderson gets a pad on it. Kuznetsov gets the pass from Anderson. Ernie with the puck. Ernie into the attacking zone. D'Angelo pushes him. Shea. He scoops it up. Martinez gets checked. Shea takes possession of the puck. Martineau dumped it in. Ekholm scooped it up. Orlov has it. Stahl shoots. Edmonton gets it. Draisaitl. Over the line. Up along the boards. Draisaitl fires hard.
Line 4!
Edmonton dumps the puck in. Gagne blasts. Nason moved up. Slavin knocked him off the puck with a wrist shot. Nason picks it up.
Line 1, get up there!
Brings it in. Dunmark gets shoved. He gets hold of the puck. Harris. Heitman grabbed it. Edmonton has it now. Campbell heads to the bench.
They're down by 1, but they think they can get it back.
Ahead to the neutral zone. Kinso takes control of the puck. Rips it from the right. Empty netter.
That goal will put the icing on the cake in this one. They took their chance, but came up empty this time.
Edmonton has less than a minute to score 2 goals.
Now, you never want to write a team off, Jim, but this is going to be a tough one to pull off.
And by number 31,
Wrist shot. Leg save by Anderson.
He stayed with it and made the stop.
Martineau with the puck. Chatfield. He gobbles it up. With a wrist shot. Door slammed shut by Campbell. Moved ahead. Advances the puck. Moved up. Played up. Chatfield gets pushed. Oh, it's not even close.
tonight's third star, Carolina number 71, Jesper Dost. Tonight's second star for Carolina number 86, Teuvo Teravainen.
From Edmonton, Alberta, I'm Jim Hewson.
I'm Craig Simpson, and this has been a presentation of EA Sports.